Identify the optically active compounds from the following. Optically active compounds are those compounds where we do have the absence of plane of symmetry. Absence of plane of symmetry. ठीक है. So plane of symmetry is basically an imaginary plane that bisects the molecule into two halves. So that should be absent to for a compound to have optically activity in it. ठीक है. So if I just talk about COEN3, 3 positive basically. So over here, if I just draw its structure, it's CO over here. We have 3 ethylene diamine. So 1 over here we can place, ठीक है. 1 over here we can place like this. The other one we can place over here. Clear? Okay, ma'am, clear. So beta G, this is optically active compound. Reason being, because if I just draw its mirror image, it is having non-superimposable mirror image. So the one having non-superimposable mirror image, they are optically active compounds. They are optically active compounds. I hope you are getting the things clear over here. You might be thinking कि राखी मैम ये ऊपर नीचे का क्या है. अगर आप इसका 3D व्यू देखेंगे ना, तो आपको यहाँ पर ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव कंपाउंड्स दिखेगा. यहाँ पर यू विल बी फाइंडिंग दैट देयर इज़ नो प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री. अभी मैंने 2D में बनाया तो आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री प्रेजेंट है, बट एक्चुअली में यहाँ पर कोई भी प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री प्रेजेंट नहीं है. इफ़ यू विल जस्ट वॉच इट इन 3D व्यू. क्लियर है? सो इट इज़ ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव कंपाउंड. येस. टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रांस En2Cl2. So if I'm talking about trans, so it's CO, then Cl over here, Cl over here, En2. So En over here, and you can just have a look En over here. So over here what you are seeing, that if I bisect the molecules into two equal halves, that one half is the mirror image of the other half. So over here we do have the presence of plane of symmetry. Trans के अंदर we do have plane of symmetry. So if we are having plane of symmetry, it is optically inactive compound. So second is not our answer. Talking about cis, COEN2Cl2 positive. So this one was trans. If I just talk in terms of cis, so over here one chlorine will be present over here and the other chlorine will be present over here. En1 over here will be present and the second En will be present over here. So in this particular compound where I'm actually talking about, yeah, so over here this one is our cis. Okay, so in cis COEN2Cl2 positive, there is absence of plane of symmetry. यहाँ पर trans में we were having plane of symmetry. ठीक है, लेकिन cis के अंदर यहाँ पर there is absence of plane of symmetry. Absence of plane of symmetry. So this is optically active compound. ये optically active compound है. आपको अपनी ना तीसरी आँख खोलनी पड़ेगी ये सब कुछ विजुअलाइज करने के लिए, 3D व्यू को देखने के लिए. सो सिस इज ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव. टॉकिंग अबाउट CrNH35Cl. सो इट्स ऑफ द टाइप MA5B टाइप. सो इफ़ आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट कि भाई ये ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव है कि नहीं है, सो इसके लिए एक ट्रिक है मेरे पास में. उस ट्रिक को प्लीज़ आप थोड़ा सा अपनाइएगा. वो ट्रिक ये है कि इफ़ एनी पेयर, इफ़ आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट इफ़ एनी पेयर हैज़ सेम लीगेंड्स लाइक AA, ठीक है, or any two pairs are same, or any two pairs are same. Clear? Like that AB type अगर होता है, तो अगर हमारे पास में any pair has a same ligand, if any pair is having a same ligand like AA type, or any two pairs are same AB, so they are optically inactive. They are optically inactive. So if I just talk about this MA5B wala, so over here I'll have a combination like AA, then AA, and then AB. So it's having the same pair, I mean to say the pair has the same ligand AA type. Clear hai? And hence this is optical inactive compound basically. I think you got the point. Or otherwise, if you want to look ahead, like if I just draw over here chromium, then over here ammonia, and over here chlorine. One ammonia over here, the other ammonia over here, one over here and the other over here. If I just pass the plane of symmetry through N, Cr and Cl, so obviously they are, this ammonia is this and this ammonia, they are reflecting each other. So yes, over here plane of symmetry is present and hence it is optically inactive compound. So option fourth is also wrong. Only 1 and 3rd, only 1 and 3rd are the right answer to the question.